There's a really good reason why you should always put a sock in your washing machine, but in this video I'll explain what you need to fill it with beforehand and why there absolutely has to be a knot at the top. Before we get to the really important things you need to consider, we first need to start preparing the whole thing. You'll need some curd soap for this. Grab a piece of it here, then grab a cheese grater and grate it a little finer first. This is important for the rest of the process. Once you have grated some of the curd soap finely, we need our sock in the next step. There are two different options here. You can either wrap the sock over a piece of tape roll at the top end, as this makes the opening a little easier to reach and you can fill the curd soap into the sock more easily. Or what I like to do is use a thin glass, which usually works even better. Simply put the sock in, pull the whole thing over the edge, pull it up a little so that we have a hole in it where we can put our curd soap. In the next step, we should now take the grated curd soap and put 4 teaspoons of it into our sock. You can adjust the amount a little depending on how dirty your laundry is. Now you should take the sock out of the jar again and tie the whole thing shut. This is also important for the rest of the process so that the curd soap doesn't just fall out of the sock, it should stay in the sock for a while. Once you have tied a knot, you have finished preparing the whole thing and can go to your washing machine. You can simply put the sock in with the rest of the laundry. However, it is important to note that you must use the correct temperature. The whole thing does not work at cold temperatures, so only do it when you are doing hot laundry or at least 60 degrees. Just switch the whole thing on and let it run through. But what are the advantages of this? Curd soap has an incredibly good cleaning performance, is also very cheap, and you only need half of the laundry powder, maybe even no powder at all, depending on how dirty the laundry is. And if you want to learn about 6 unbelievable laundry mistakes that almost everyone makes, then watch the video you see on the screen now. Click directly on it.